In this lesson, I will explain to you some more features of paste special. So here is my data and the selling price column is here. If you want to add some numbers in the selling price, yes, you can do with the help of paste special. Not only addition, you can do subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So here we will learn few function. Suppose we want to add 1000 in this selling price 20,000, it will be then 21,000. We want to add 1200 in this 18,000 and so on. So how we can do in one shot? You have to select the column this because we want to add these numbers in this column, and then click copy where you are going to apply on this column. Select this column, and there are 2 or 3 different ways to go to paste special. If you want to use your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V together, or right click or go here in the clipboard. Paste special window will open, and simply you have to click add here. When I will press OK, you will see, I will show you here, it will be 21,000 and it will be 18,000 plus 1200 and so on. I'm going to click OK. So now see, all the numbers are changed. So easy. Same thing you can do for subtraction. Select this column, copy where you want to apply this function in this column. Here now I'm going to do right click and paste special, and this is the subtract, right? So it will be 20,000 minus 1,000, that will be here 19,000 and so on. So I'm going to click and see the output is here. So simple, right? Same thing for multiplication. What you have to do, first of all, you have to select the column, copy this, right? You are going to apply here. I will show you all the functions, then it will be much more easy. So here is the multiplication. It will be a big number because we are multiplying by the big number. Same thing you have to do if you have a 1 2 3 or some small number, right? This is the multiplication, we have a big number. Now the last is the division. You have to select this column again, click copy. We are going to apply this function here, right click, paste special, and the last one is divide. Click here. So see, 20,000 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 20, and so on. In one shot you can get the output. So simple, right? I'm going to undo it. Now suppose you want to change, here is the employee ID, these are the new employee ID. Suppose I want to assign this as okay, I can make it 103 here, and this one I can make 115, this one 112, right, and 210. So I can make it 107. Suppose these employee IDs are like this, and these are the new employee IDs. If you want to update your database, right, here we have only 14-15 records. If you have 1,000 records, you can do the same thing. Not only employee ID, if their addresses are changed, if their phone numbers are changed, any column is going to be changed, you have to do the same function. What you have to do here, just right select it. If each and every employee number is going to be changed, the easiest way is copy and paste here. But here only 4 employees IDs are going to be changed, so you have to select this, copy right where you want to apply this function in this column, right click, paste special, and then here is the skip blanks, this one, right click on this skip blanks and okay. So here now you can see these employees are updated by the new employee ID number. How simple it is, right? Now one more thing, that if you want to take the transpose means, see, these are now columns vertically. If you want to make these columns as a rows and rows as a column, yes, we can do. That is called the transpose. You have to select it, copy where you want to get the transpose. I said here, open this, paste special, right, and then here is the transpose. Click here and okay. Now you will see, okay, first I can make it visible so you can see easily. These were our columns. Now these are the rows, and these are all the records, right? Now you want to take the transpose of this again. You want to make all these rows in the column. You want to convert, select this, press copy where you want to get output. I said here, right, open this, paste special, and then is transpose. Okay, now you can see all our these column names were horizontally, now they are vertically. How simple it is, right? So we have learned few functions of paste special. I hope everything is clear. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.